Good evening, folks. This is Marcel at Hillsdale Station. This is Caltrain 132. Final destination of that train is Tamian. Here it comes, going to Tamian. The bright LED lights right there. Once again, Caltrain 132 headed to Tamian coming up. Leads off on this EMU Stadler.
Southbound local train 132, making all stops to Tamian. Next stop, Belmont.
(132) going to Tamian. Alright, got a green signal down there. Now he could go. Alright, folks, 132. Final destination, Tamian. 322 leaves off. $321 in the bag. There it goes. Southbound to Tamian. The local train. I'm Marcel Hall. Thank you for watching. Have a good one.